Hey you guys, thank you so much for coming back for another motivational cleaning video. We are getting so much done today. I am trying to prep our home for some spring cleaning coming soon. So like I said, there was so much to be done. If you are new here, hello, my name is Lizzet. I film cleaning videos, the occasional DIY and home decor videos. So if that is your jam, then I would love for you to subscribe. And if you are already subscribed, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please make sure your post notifications are on so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. So with all that being said, let's get started on some cleaning motivation.
Don't want yourself without striking back at me. Don't need your lies based on insecurity. You're like a movie, seductive like a spell. You're trying your feelings and calling up for air.
So I am starting off in my bedroom. I like to make my bed every day, although I will admit that I don't do it sometimes as soon as I wake up. Sometimes I'll do it around noon or early afternoon, but for the most part, I do try to make my bed every day. I just feel like I'm more productive when I make my bed, and also throughout the day if I need to come inside the room, it makes me smile a little bit inside when I see that my bed is done.
I know it seems like I'm the one to lose. I might be crying, but baby, so will you. You tell them stories from one point of view. You say that I'm the one who messed it up too. I see through you, baby. I saw it from the start. You got your baggage bruising everywhere you go, everyone you love.
And now we're moving on to Luna's bedroom. As you can see, it was a disaster. I actually need to really declutter this room, especially that little shelf that you see up to my left side. There's a lot of baby stuff in there, like baby towels, just a lot of stuff that she doesn't need any longer. So I really need to declutter this bedroom. I think out of all the bedrooms, this is probably one of the ones that needs it the most, and that goes as far as like her clothes as well, and then her toys. You'll see that she has tons of toys, and although she does play with most of them, there's a lot in there that I could probably get rid of. So be on the lookout for lots of decluttering coming soon.
I need the bitter truth. I need the better version of you. I need the better version of you. I need the better you. You talk about faith. Is it just something you say? Or is it the same with that girl you texted when I look away? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, your silence. I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter, bitter truth. I need the better version of you. Oh, I need, oh, I need. I need the better version of you. Oh, I need, oh, I need. I need the better, better you.
And I actually just purchased this little kitchen for her off of Facebook Market for $20. It's so nice. It's literally brand new, to be honest. It has very light wear, if any. I can't even tell. But she has been obsessed with that little kitchen, and it's so cute. It's so cute to see her use her imagination and really play with it. But 20 bucks, guys, Facebook Market. And now we are in the living room and just tidying up. I've told you guys before that I've been really trying to be on top of the living room throughout the day, just because it's the one place that we're mostly in. So I really try to keep this place together. So that's why there's really not much for me to pick up here other than the pillows, which are for sure always on the floor, and then some toys.
So much emotion, just pick your poison. Is every move you make even allowed? Can't get enough. I try my best to look away, but I can't stop. Am I a freak to you? We almost touch. I feel your body move my way, you're close enough. So I say, can't take my eyes on you. You were all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. You know what I mean. Can't take my eyes on you. You were all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. Take my eyes on you. Yeah. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off you. Can't take my eyes off. 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 Shaking head stern, you make my heart burn. It's like I'm awake inside of a dream. You're getting closer, night's almost over. I might just ask you to leave now with me. Can't get enough.
Moving on into the kitchen, as you guys know, I love to start off on my center island. So clearing that off, and to clean my countertops, I'm using, actually throughout the whole video, all I used was the Mr. Clean all-purpose cleaner mixed with some water. I have really been loving this stuff, especially because it's antibacterial, so it helps get rid of germs and grime and stuff like that. And the scent is amazing. It just makes my home smell so good. And now moving on to the dishes, and for the dishes I'm using a Dawn antibacterial soap in the apple scent.
You were all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. You know what I mean. Can't take my eyes on you. You are all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. Take my eyes on you. Yeah. Can't take my eyes off. 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 Nobody's like you. You are not normal at all. No. I feel like I want to let down my guard and just fall. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. This time I must know for sure. Cause someone was before.
Moving on into the entryway, and as you can see, I had tons of clutter everywhere, especially shoes. I feel like I'm always picking up shoes every day, even though the basket and the tray is literally right by the door. There's always shoes to pick up.
Feel much better now, but will you let me down?
Now we're moving on into the dining room area. This is like a little coffee corner thing, if you will, that I have. So just cleaning that off, and then I'm moving on to the dining table. I've been trying to be really good about keeping the dining table clean, to be honest, because I've been trying to have us have more family meals together. So I've been kind of making it a habit to really keep this place tidy.
Someone was before you, and someone let me go. This time I must know for sure. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. But I just need to be sure. Some say love's not for the bitter ones. Some say love will only bring you down. Some say love can feel much better now, better now.
And now I'm moving on into the office slash beauty room slash closet. I don't even know. This is like an all-in-one bedroom. It has just turned into that room where we just kind of stick anything that doesn't fit in the other rooms. But I think as I start to declutter each of the bedrooms, I will find a place for everything, because I do ideally would like to keep this room into an office type area, especially with my kids that are in Zoom classes and stuff like that. But I'll figure it out. But for now, this is working, like I said.
But will you let me down?
I had tons of laundry to fold, so folding all this clothes, and I actually had 2 more loads in the washer and the dryer, so I had lots of folding to do this day.
It's like talking to a wall when you don't look at me. I wanna speak my mind and tell you how I feel, but it's like talking to a wall when you don't look at me. Please just look at me. I'm a ticking time bomb that goes off easily. You always know which buttons you should push, baby. I'm a ticking time bomb that goes off easily, but you're still here with me. We're drawn to each other. We try to break it off, but we return to each other. You're the best bad thing that has happened to me. Yeah, you're the best bad thing that has happened to me. The best bad thing that has happened to me. You're the best bad thing that has happened to me. You're the best, the best bad thing that has Opposites attract, I guess they're right, 'cause we are just like night and day, and that is fine by me. 'Cause I wouldn't wanna change a single thing, baby. You're perfect to me, perfect to me. We're drawn to each other. We try to break it off, but we return to.
So moving into the main bathroom, as you can see, we had tons of clutter everywhere. So just putting everything away. I actually need to find a better solution to hold all our bathroom things. This is a small bathroom, so it's just kind of a struggle sometimes to have our toiletries in here because it's so small. So hopefully I'll figure something out soon for storage. So for the toilets, I'm using the Method toilet bowl cleaner, and then I'm still using the Mr. Clean all-purpose spray, and then I'm using Clorox wipes to kind of wipe everything down. And the last thing I did was mop the floors. The only things I did not clean on this day were my son's bedroom and then their bathroom as well. So I'll save that for another day. But I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video and found a lot of cleaning motivation from it. This was a little bit of a longer cleaning video. Let me know if this is more what you guys would like to see. I would love to film it for you. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and turn on your post notifications. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.